Hello, welcome to Cosmic Patterns. My name is Faye Cochran. Today I will be showing you how to select a chart wheel style that is included on your top 12 wheels here on the WinStar program. First, you have to be on the classic view. So there are three types of views here on the WinStar program. So you have to be on the classic view here. And then you click on add form. Click on add form. The select chart wheel style window is then displayed and you have your top 12 chart wheels in here. Good thing about this top 12 chart wheels is you have your 12 favorite wheels in here that you can just select anytime because there are so many chart wheel styles to choose from in the WinStar program. Okay, for example, let's change this wheel style. For example, right here, let me replace this. Okay, I click on it. So you have to click on the one that you want to replace. So once you click on it, it's selected. As you can see, it has these lines around it, and then you click on this button. This is the replace button. Okay, click on replace button, and then you select the wheel style that you want to replace it with. I'm going to replace it with this asteroid wheel, and then we click on OK, and there you go, and that's the asteroid wheel. I'm going to go back and replace it with a different one because I already have an asteroid wheel there. So let me go to let me see, aspect wheel. Alright, and then we click on OK. So we have the aspect wheel in here, and then we click on OK. Okay, that should have stayed in there. So let's go back, click on add form to confirm that it is there. So click on add form, and you can see the aspect wheel is right there. Alright, so that is really simple. That's the very easy way to change one of these top 12 chart wheels in the WinStar program. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video. You take care.